Hi, my name is Josh Androsky. I'm here with my two friends, David Gborie, hilarious comedian, and David Jette, one of the smartest people I have ever met. Right now in Los Angeles, there is a vote to start a public bank, and a lot of people say something along the lines of like, oh, this is just like a piggy bank for city council. How can we make sure that there isn't this sort of corruption?
Banking is not as complicated and risky and hard as they make it seem. They make it seem that if you trust the public to get involved in this, that everything will go haywire, which is crazy because in 2009, everything went haywire.
Right.
We can do what they do. So the bank has to put forward a charter and it needs to follow it. The reason why we advocate for municipal banks is because city governments are close to the people. You have more power over your city hall than you do over your state, and certainly more than you do over the federal government, and obviously more than you do over commercial banks. By putting it close, you can give the people that access. But that doesn't matter if the mayor appoints the whole board of directors.
Right.
So you need to, when the bank is being formed, demand democratic controls. What I think should happen in municipal banks is that neighborhood councils and very small entities should trickle up into an advisory council that names a board of directors, which will be populated by not only bankers, but also experts in affordable housing and in, racial justice and
renewable
climate
energy.
change mitigation. Yes, those people need to be on the bank because that's a part of the purpose of the bank, not just to bank. Most important to that is that there is a consent mechanism that comes directly from the people, not through elections, especially low turnout, elect the board of the public bank elections. I mean, who's gonna know what that is?
Yeah, nobody's even.
You know who's gonna run that.
Yeah.
You can't do that. You can't lean on your existing political leadership because they do have a conflict of interest. You need the people to have that impact. I'm talking about everybody once a year going to the Coliseum for a shareholder meeting. I'm not kidding.
Yeah.
Get in there, call a consent vote to make sure that the general direction of the city's banking policy is going the right way.